This is Rob. And that's me, Steph. And we are on our way to Lapland in Sweden, to Kiruna. We started from Västerås and first took a train up to Stockholm. Västerås is where Rob lives. And then we switched trains in Umeå to get up to Kiruna, and we arrived there around 9 a.m. And the first thing we wanted to do in Kiruna was of course to explore the city. I can only imagine the ahs and oh my god, so cute. And yes, they are freaking cute. So if you get up to Lappland, do it. Do a dog sledding trip.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go.
We did like a mixed trip. We went first with the snowmobiles and then later we went back with the dog sled, and I thought that was the perfect combination. If you're really lucky, they even let you pet the dogs. And we even got to pet the little puppies. They were like super cute. And one of them even tried to steal one of my gloves.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
The next day we took the bus up to Jukkasjärvi. You probably pronounced that not like that, but yeah, that's where you can find the ice hotel. The bus stop is even called ice hotel, so you can really not miss it. And there you can have a drink at the ice bar.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
And watch the beautiful ice art and the rooms. If you want to, you can even stay in one of those rooms, but it's very expensive and also I guess kind of cold. So we stayed in a normal room. It was also fine and we had a really great time. So if you're in the area, I think that's a must visit.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin.
In walking distance of the ice hotel, you can find a reindeer farm and also learn about the Sami culture. It's very interesting and it was such a great experience to feed them. The reindeers, not the Samis. For our last day, we rented a car and went up to Abisko. We went there to see the northern lights, and we actually got super lucky and we saw some. We did not book a tour, we just drove around with our car. We also went to watch this beautiful waterfall. I think it's called Jukkasjärvi. Okay, there's a traffic sign in the video where you can see the actual name. I'm not even trying to pronounce it. Yeah, and then our trip was already over and it was time to head back home.